Hello and welcome to Everything is Energy. I'm recording this broadcast today at a super special, energetically clear and clean place. It's one of my favorite, I wouldn't call it a hot spring, but it's definitely a desert spring somewhere on the outskirts of Joshua Tree National Park. And well, you can hear the water running in the background, and I felt the call today just to also touch base on what I mean when I say this recording encapsulates the energies of this sacred space. So this particular space, I don't know if you can hear the water, hold on. This particular space is so clean and clear. I always love the desert just because you can feel the sort of static and the energy that's, well, static's the best way to put it, drops. And so there's really just clear space, empty space. And then to have that coupled with this beautiful hot spring is quite amazing. And I wanted to share this with you all today so that you can access it whenever you like, as I say. And well, in my book, I talk about the idea of entanglement and entrainment. And those two concepts are very much helpful in understanding how the energies can be encapsulated. So when we consider how we interact energetically, entanglement is when two particles, or I also offer people, become connected, or here it's the case of this particular place in the broadcast and you as a person connect, and oftentimes it takes intention, your intention to connect. Something very special happens with the intention. It's like it instantaneously creates a connection. And while in physics, entanglement, the example is what Einstein called spooky action at a distance, where two different particles that were connected or entangled are separated, and across time and space, when one particle is influenced to do something, the other particle instantaneously does the exact same thing. So this means that when you want to connect to this sacred space with intention, you can connect with this vibration. Which brings me to the second concept that I want to talk about today, which is entrainment. And entrainment happens when, well, one of the most popular examples is when, say, the chord on a certain violin is struck and a certain note is played, and then there's another violin right next to it. And without that violin even being touched, the same note resonates in the violin that's untouched as in the one with the chord that was struck. So this brings us to also the idea of energy healing when we use sound to entrain the body. And I've mentioned this in previous broadcasts as if to remind it of its optimal energetic state. So entrainment is really the idea of remembering and raising up, and often for me it feels like a remembering of this super beautiful vibration. And so as you listen to this water, and I'll post some pictures, you can imagine yourself sitting right here at this beautiful, fresh, energetically clear space. See if you can just start to tune into entanglement has already happened with our intention to connect, and now just let yourself be entrained. Let yourself be sort of steeped, or as if you're basking in the beautiful energies here. It's a clear day. Bright sunlight and crystal clear water, and this beautiful running spring. I hope you can hear it. So what we're going to do today is just simply experience more of these concepts of entanglement and entrainment. So with your intention to connect, take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, just imagine all of the energy from this sacred space is coming to you, into your cells, into your lungs, into every single part of your energetic being. Wonderful. And just as you exhale, start to release. This sound and this metaphor of running water, you can imagine that this water is just helping to wash away anything you're ready to let go. Breathing in again. Call more of this energy into your lungs, into your physical body, into your cells, into your energetic body, and just feel it. You might even just imagine that you're floating in this beautiful, warm pool of water. And allow the exhale to just let this flow of water take anything away that's no longer serving and that's ready to go. Once again, breathing in, taking in all of this beautiful vibration, clear water, clean desert air. Bring it into your lungs, bring it into your cells, and let it fill your energetic body, your entire aura. And as you breathe out, just let anything you're ready to release, let the water wash it away. Wonderful. And now just notice how you're feeling. We're in such high vibrational times. This is February 2019 that I am recording this broadcast, and from December through January to February, a lot of us, all of us on this planet, are going through different sorts of cleansings and clearings and purgings, and the universe is really just supporting us in releasing anything that no longer serves us as we step fully onto the path of why we're really here. As we step fully into remembering everything we've known from past lifetimes, anything that no longer serves is just being washed away. So spend a little bit more time here and allow that to happen. Allow this energy and this flow of water to fill you with light on your inhale. And on your exhale, allow it to cleanse you and clear you. So I'm just going to let the recording go for a little bit longer here. Stay with your breath and just entrain to the energies of this place. Allow yourself to bask in and to raise your vibration up to this clear, high vibration. Wonderful. Well, as always, thank you all for joining me. I will post some notes, and I invite you to stay here with this energy for as long as you'd like, for as long as you need. Namaste and much love. So I'm going to bring this recording to a close. One more thing. My book is called The Answer Is You. And it's really intended to be a metaphysical and scientific marrying of beautiful and empowering information to help you step into your true power. So I'll put a link in the notes for the broadcast to that as well. Thank you for joining.